Good morning, students. In last video lecture, we have seen up to exercise 8.2 up to question number 4th. So, moving on next question number 5th. Exercise 8.2 question number 5th. Write each of the decimal inverse. So, first is A is 0.03, B 1.20, C 108.56, D 10.07, E 0.32, F 5.00. So, what we do in the after point, we doesn't count number in, we doesn't count digit in a pair. We count digit singly. If after decimal 32 is there, we will not speak out as a 32. We will speak only 32 point. So here first one is 0.03. Here second will be 1.20. 108.56, so 108.56. This is 10.7, so 10.07. E is 0.032, so 0.032. This is 5.008, 5.008. Now question number 6, you see between which two numbers in 10th place on the number line does each of the given number line. जो हमारा नंबर गिवन है वो जो 10th प्लेस में 10th प्लेस के नंबर में हमें बताना है कि लाई करेगा किस टू नंबर के बीच में. तो A है 0.06, B है 0.45, C है 0.19, D है 0.66, E है 0.92, F है. ये हमारा 6 क्वेश्चन. तो 0.06 किसके बीच में लाई करेगा? 0 एंड 0.1, 0.45, 0.4 एंड 0.5. C किसके बीच में लाई करेगा? 0.1 एंड 0.2. 0.66 किसके बीच में लाई करेगा? 0.6 एंड 0.7. 0.92 किसके बीच में करेगा? 0.9 एंड 1. 0.57 किसके बीच में लाई करेगा? 0.5 एंड 0.6. ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Write as a fraction in lowest form. So a is 0.60. So for removing decimals, just you write like this number. For the number you write 1. After decimal you count the number. After decimal there is 2 digits. So after removing decimal 20 will come. 60 upon 100 now reduced to lowest form. 3, 5. So this will be 3 upon 5. B is 0.05 upon, now when you will remove, for the number 1 will come after decimal 2 digit number is there, so 20 will come. 5 upon 100, so 5 upon 100 will be reduced to 20, so 1 upon 20. C is 0.75. For the number 1 will come after decimal 2 digits are there, so 20 will come. 75 upon 100, when 75 and 100 is divisible by 25, so 3 upon 4. What is the decimal representation of 0.75 in reduced form is 3.4. Next is D, 0.18. So it will be 18 upon 100 in reduced form, 9 upon 50. E is 0.25. So 25 upon 100 it will be equals to 1 upon 4. F होगा 0.125, it will be 125 upon 1000, that will be equals to 1 upon 8. Now Z is 0.066, this will be 66 upon 1000, that will be equals to 33 upon 500. Now comparing decimals. Next topic is comparing decimals, and we have to see, after comparing we have to find which decimals number is greater and which one is smaller. So coming to exercise 8.3, see question number 1. Exercise 8.3, पहला है A 0.3 and और 0.4. इसमें बिगर कौन होगा? 0.4. तो इसके आगे लिख दो 0.4 इज ग्रेटर देन 0.3. B कितना है? 0.07 और 0.02. इसमें 0.07 will be bigger than 0.02. 0.07 is greater than 0.02. C 3 और 0.8. So 3 will be greater than 0.8. D is 0.5 and 0.05. So 0.5 will be greater than 0.05. E 1.23 and 1. So 1.23 is greater than 1.2. F 0.099 or 0.19. So 0.19 is greater than 0.099. After F, G 1.5 and 1.50. These two numbers are both equal. So 1.5 will be equals to 1.5. 0. H is 1.431 and 1.490. So 1.490 is greater than 1.431. H हो गया. I is 3.3 or 3.300. Here both numbers are same. Next one is Z. 5.64 or 5.603. So 5.64 is greater than 5.603. So we have completed question number 1 of exercise 0.3. Question number 2 is make 5 more example and find greater number from them. So question number 2 you can usually do by yourself. Now moving to next, using decimals. First we have to see money, length, weight. So we know that in 1 rupees there is 100 paisa, and 100 paisa will be equal to 1 rupees. In length, 10 centimeter is equals to 1 millimeter. You remember this. And 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter, and 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. Is that? Now in kg, 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. So remember, you have to remember what? First 100 paisa equals to rupees 1. So 1 paisa equals to rupees 1 upon 100. One thing. Next, so 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter, that will be 0.01 meter. 10 mm equals to 1 centimeter. 1 mm will be equals to 1 upon 10 centimeter, that will be 0.1 centimeter. Now 100,000 gram equals to 1 kg. So 1 gram equals to 1 upon 1000 kg. So this conversion you must remember. If you remember this conversion, you can easily convert smaller units into bigger unit. Now coming to exercise 8.4. Question number 1. Express as rupee using decimal. हमें क्या करना है कि हमें एक्सप्रेस करना है जो पैसे दिए हुए हैं इन रुपीज में. पहला है 5 पैसे, बी है 75 पैसे, सी है 20 पैसे, डी है 50 रुपीज 90 पैसे, ई है 725 पैसे. इनका हमें कन्वर्जन देखना है. कन्वर्जन में आ जाते हैं 5 पैसे. तो हमने पहले ही देखा 1 पैसा इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 100. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा रुपीज में? 5 अपॉन 100 रुपीज. दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू रुपीज 0.05 75 पैसे। तो इसको रुपीज में चेंज करेंगे तो 75 अपॉन 100 ये होगा 0.75 रुपीज। 20 पैसे 20 upon 100 that will be equals to rupees 0.20। अब 50 रुपीज है 90 पैसे तो क्या आ जाएगा रुपीज 50 प्लस रुपीज 90 upon 100 that will be rupees 50 plus rupees 0.90 rupees 50.90। 725 paise will be rupees 725 upon 100 that will be equals to rupees 7.25। So in this manner we will do whenever currency is given in the form of paise, if you want to change in rupees just divide by 100। So question number 1 we have done। Now moving to question number 2। Express as a meter using decimals। Question number 2। Express as meters using decimals। A is 15 centimeter, B is 6 centimeter, C is 2 meter 45 centimeter, D is 9 meter 7 centimeter, E is 419 centimeter। Now see question number 2। When we will change centimeter into meter we have to divide by 100। So 15 centimeter will be 15 upon 100 meter that is 0.15 meter। 6 centimeter will be 6 upon 100 meter that will be 0.06 meter। 2 meter 45 centimeter so 2 meter plus 45 upon 100 that will be 2 meter plus 0.45 meter that will be equals to 2.45 meter। 9 meter 7 centimeter so 9 meter plus 7 upon 100 centimeter 9 meter plus 0.07 meter that will be 9.07 meter। 419 centimeter so 419 upon 100 that will meter that will be equals to 4.19 meter। So question number 2 have been completed। Now we will see question number 3। Express as centimeter using decimals। हमें क्या करना है सेंटीमीटर्स में हमें एक्सप्रेस करना है using decimals। So question number 3। Express as centimeter using decimal। A is 5 mm, B is 60 mm, C is 164 mm, D is 9 centimeter 8 mm, E 93 mm। We have to change into centimeter। The question has been given in mm। So we know 1 mm equals to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So 5 mm will be 5 upon 10 centimeter. That will be equals to 0.5 centimeter. 60 mm, 60 upon 10 centimeter. So it is cancelled, 6 centimeter. 164. So 164 upon 10 centimeter, that will be equals to 16.4 centimeter. 4 centimeter 8 mm. So 4 centimeter plus 8 upon 10 centimeter. So 4 plus 0.8 centimeter, that will be equals to 4.8 centimeter. 93 mm, 93 upon 10 centimeter, that will be equals to 9.3 centimeter. So question number 3 we have done. Now moving to question number 4th, and after that we have question number 5th. Express as kilometer using decimals. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में क्या करना है? एक्सप्रेस करना है as kilometer using decimals. पहला है 1 मीटर, बी है 88 मीटर, सी है 8 मीटर, डी है 70 किलोमीटर एंड 5 मीटर. सो मीटर को किलोमीटर में चेंज करने के लिए हमें किससे डिवाइड करना होता है? 1000 से. सो 8 upon 1000 किलोमीटर, दैट विल बी 0.08 किलोमीटर. 88 को फिर हम 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे, यह आ जाएगा 0.088 किलोमीटर. और 8888 को 1000 से करेंगे तो आएगा 8.888 किलोमीटर. 70 किलोमीटर प्लस 5 upon 1000 किलोमीटर, दैट विल बी 70 plus 0.005, 70.005 kilometer. So this is the answer of question number 4. Now moving to question number 5th, we will see express as kg using decimals. Express as kg using decimals. पहला है 2 ग्राम, बी है 100 ग्राम, सी है 3750 ग्राम, डी है 5 kg 8 ग्राम, ई है 26 kg 50 ग्राम. So 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kg. So 2 ग्राम क्या हो जाएगा? 2 upon 1000 kg, that will be equals to 0.002 kg. 100 ग्राम क्या होगा? 100 upon 1000 kg, that will be 0.1 kg. 3750 upon 1000 kg, it will be equals to 3.75 kg. 5 kg plus 8 upon 1000 kg, that will be 5 kg plus 0.008, that will be 5.008 kg, 26 kg 50 upon 1000 kg, ये हो जाएगा 26 kg प्लस 0.05 kg, ये क्या हो जाएगा 26.050 kg. So today we have done exercise 8.2, remaining question of exercise 8.2, 8.3 and 8.4. So student, complete these question in your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.